This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the workspace safe and confirming basics. Open the bonnet, disconnect the negative battery terminal, and park the Panda on level ground. Once done, check engine oil and coolant levels visually, top up only to specified marks. Make sure you have the 10mm and 13mm sockets, a jack and stands, multimeter, and an OBD-ROMAN2 scanner within reach. This immediate preparation prevents damage and sets the stage for targeted troubleshooting. Don't skip it. You now diagnose systematically so you fix the root cause. Plug in the OBD-ROMAN2 scanner, read and record fault codes, then clear and retest to confirm reproducibility. Next, test ignition by removing spark plugs and checking gaps, replace if fouled or worn, and inspect coil pack and HT leads. At the same time, verify fuel delivery by measuring fuel pressure and replacing the filter if low. Clean the MAF and throttle body to restore proper air metering and idle stability. You complete repairs by replacing failed components and reassembling to manufacturer torque specs. Then reconnect the battery and reset stored codes. Once reconnected, perform a controlled road test for 10 to 15 minutes, watching temperature, idle behavior, and any boost response if fitted. If the issue returns, rescan for new codes, inspect battery and engine grounds, and consider swapping suspect modules or sensors one at a time. A focused retest after each change helps isolate persistent faults quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.